dear loving students. I welcome you all to our channel Mind Mapping. Today we have taken an interesting topic: factors and prime factors. Most of the students are confused. Even parents and teachers, they are confused with factors and prime factors. And this topic is exclusively meant for class 5th and class 6th. And basing on this concept, entrance test like OAB and JNB questions are being set. So let us make our concept clear regarding factors and prime factors. So what's a factor? So factor simply is a divisor. It divides the number that is divided. So let's take an example. So let's take a number 24 that we have taken here. So here 24 the dividend. And what are the divisors? So the divisors, let us take the natural numbers, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So let us divide and find out what are the factors that divide the number 24. So here the 24, 1 divide 24, remainder 0. So 1 is a factor that divides 24. Similarly 2 divides 24, 2 is a factor. So 2 into 12. So 3 also divides 24. So 3 is a factor. The factor of 24. So 4 divides 24. The quotient is 6, remainder 0. So 4 is a factor. 6 also divides 24. Quotient 4, remainder 0. So 6 is a factor. Similarly 8 divides 24. So 8 is a factor. 24 divides, so 12 divides 24. That is 12 is a factor. So the number itself is a factor. So 24 divided 24, the quotient of 1 remainder 0. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Each factor divides the number 24. This is very important. So each factor is a divisor of the dividend 24. So each factor divides the number. This is very important. Please remember. So these are the factors of 24. So let us count. How many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for a number, the factors are finite. Means definite, countable. So the factors are finite. Here for 24, the number of factors is 8. So I have written here the nature of the factor is a divisor. Each factor divides. And the number itself, the number divides itself, the number is a factor of itself. And 1 divides the number, so 1 is a factor of the number. So these are the factors of 24. But we are confused with prime factors. We know the prime numbers have 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. So let us take an example. 1 is not a prime number. It is an integer and it has only one factor. But what are the prime factors? So 2, this is the least even prime factor. Then 3 is a factor. These are the prime number. 5, 7, 11, 17, etc. You see, in all these numbers, there are 2 factors. 1 into 2, here 1 into 3, here 1 into 5, 1 into 7, 1 into 11, and 1 into 17, etc. So 1 is common to all. So 1 and the number itself, there are 2 factors. So using these prime factors, find out the prime factor, the product of prime factors of 24. So first, let us take 2 divided 24. So Then 2 divide 12, 6. Then 2 divides 6, 3. So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4 into 8 into 3, 24. So the product of prime factor is the number. But what are the prime factors? Now 2 is repeated 3 times. So the prime factor 1 is 2 and another factor is 3. Now let us compare the factors and prime factors of 24. You see in the factors and prime factors, so here 2 and here 2. Here 3, here 3. So what is your conclusion? What's our observation? What we note here? What we see here? So all prime factors are factors of 24. But all factors are not prime factors. Now you see 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are composite numbers, not prime numbers. So we have written here all prime factors, all prime factors are factors. Now you see 2 and 3 are inclusive of these factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 20. But 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are not here. So this is a comparison. All factors are not prime factors. All factors are not prime factors, but all prime factors are factors. So this is a very good comparison. Then come to another concept. And this concept is very important. Please remember. Now find the sum of the factors of 24. So here are the factors. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 plus 60. So 3 plus 6 or 10, 16, 24, 24, 24, 48 plus 12, 60. Now number is 24. You multiply by 2. Make it twice. So number is 48. If the number should be equal to this, then it should have been a perfect number. But here it is not a perfect number. Now let us take an example of 6. The factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1 divides 6, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6 and 6 divides 6. So let us find the sum of the factors of 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Now we find 12. So let us multiply 2 by 6 into 2. The twice of 6 is 12. Now we see 12 and 12. So 6 is a perfect number. So please remember this is the lowest perfect number. And here is a task for you, home task for you. You please find out 2 other perfect numbers basing on this principle. You please calculate, you please find out the factors, find out their sum and you check whether the number is a perfect number or not a perfect number. Hope you have clearly understood what are the factors and the prime factors. In the next class we shall discuss the prime numbers and co-primes and twin primes. Okay, stay tuned to watch our videos in mathematics for class 6, class 5th, class 7th and so on. Thank you so much.